Video we are going to learn about finite and infinite sets. So before knowing what is finite and infinite set, let's try to understand the meaning of finite and infinite. Finite means anything having limit, and infinite means having no limit. So having no limit. Anything which does not have any limit, that is infinite, and the things which have got limit, that is finite. Or you can say countable, that you can count, okay, 1 2 3 4, like that. And infinite you can understand as uncountable, that you cannot count. So for example, so if I ask you the colors in rainbow, so can you count or not? Yes, you know there are 7 colors in the rainbow. So this is finite or countable or having limit. Infinite example could be the things that you cannot count. For example, the stars. Can you tell me the actual number of stars in the universe? No, because you cannot count, or it does not have any limit. It is something which is limitless or infinite. So I hope that you get the idea. Let's consider one more important case. For example, I have got the set of natural numbers. Can you tell me the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to what? We don't know. It goes on and on and on. So we just put a dot. Because we don't know. It does not end anywhere. The continuity. That means it goes on and on. We don't know where it ends. It goes on and on. Okay, because these three dots in mathematics and specifically in sets, it shows the continuity. Now try to guess that this set, is it finite or infinite? I hope you get it, because it is continued, it does not end anywhere, you cannot tell me where it ends. So this is infinite, because it is uncountable. You cannot count the actual number of natural numbers, or it does not have any limit. But what if I select a small part of the natural set of the natural numbers? I'm not concerned with this whole natural number set. Rather, I'm interested in 3 to 4 elements. For example, 1 till 4. So now my new set is n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my selected set of the natural numbers, or you can say it is a subset of this bigger set. Okay, so can you tell me whether it's finite or infinite? Now you can actually count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 elements in it. You can tell me the limit. You can tell me how many elements are there. So this is finite set. I hope that you get the concept of the finite and infinite sets. Now let's see some examples. So now it's practice time. So you have to decide if the given set is finite or infinite. Let's recap. Finite sets are the sets which has got limit, and the infinite sets are the sets which does not have any limit. So these numbers you can count, and infinite numbers you cannot count. So I hope that you get this. So I would request you to pause this video and try to guess the answers. Okay, so those of you who didn't get the answers, don't worry, we are going to solve it together. So the first one is a equals to 1 2 3 4, and it goes till 1000. So this is the limit, isn't it? So this set ends at 1000. It started off from 1 and it ends at 1000. So it has got a limit. So it's a finite set. Let's see the second one, which says w equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the dots which shows continuity. So do you see the last element of this set? No, there is no last element, so you cannot decide where it's ending. So the numbers are uncountable, or it doesn't have any limit. So this set does not have any limit, so this is infinite. Now let's see this third one, which is the set of integers denoted by I, and as you know that these are the directional numbers. So here we have -3, -2, -1. Okay, and this shows a continuity, that so it is continuing on this side. We don't know where the limit is, and on this side as well we don't know where the limit is. It is also showing continuity, right? So we don't know the limit. So when we don't know the limit, it's infinite. The next is the e equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, which is a set of even numbers. So where it ends, so you need to see where it ends. It ends at 8. Yes, it's ending at 8, so this is a set with a limit, so this is a finite set. So the last one here is O equals to 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. So this is the continuity, it's showing the continuity, so it's a infinite set. Let's do some more practice. In these sets we again have to identify whether these are the finite or infinite sets. Let's see the first one, which is the days in the week. So do you know what are the days in the week? So let's make the set. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So is this set countable? Yes, there are 7 elements in this set, which is the 7 days in the week. So it's a finite set. Let's see the next one, which is the cities in a country. So cities in a country are always countable because there are a specific number of cities in the country. So let's take Pakistan for example. So we have in Pakistan cities like Karachi, Islamabad, Lahore, and there are many cities, but these are countable cities, uh, cities are countable in this case. Just suppose we have 10 cities in the country. Okay, so it is always countable. Here the next one is n equals to 0. Is it a finite or infinite? So it's a finite set. This is also finite. Planets in a solar system. So planets in the solar system, is it finite or infinite? So we have studied in our elementary classes that we have, so in our solar system there are 8 or 9 planets. So let's name it Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So it has got a specific number of elements, that is 8. So this is also a finite set. Natural numbers less than 12. So what are the natural numbers less than 12? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Less than 12 we have 11. So it has got a limit, so it's a finite set. Let's see this one. X equals to x such that x belongs to whole numbers and x is less than or equal to 100. That means x is a set which is a whole number and whole number starts with 0. And here it talks about the limit. It is less than or equal to 100. So again, it's a finite set. 2, 3 more. So stars on the sky. So can you decide how much they are? Is it countable? No. So it's infinite set. Right? Now here we have W, which is the set of whole number since it starts with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Where it ends, we don't know. So it's a infinite set. If this would be with a limit, for example, the whole number up till 10. So the same set, since now it has got limit, so it would become finite. Remember, months in the year. So do you know how many months are there in the year? So there are 12 months, okay, starting with Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So it ends at December, so it has got a limit, so it's a finite set. So now I hope that this video was useful for you. Have a happy learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.